Police helicopter just crossed over the end of my street. See him just crossed over Oliveira to Seo, where they had a fake car theft yesterday. Now he's mobbing down Oliveira and crossing over to Montevideo Elementary School and El Dorado Park. But you can see him right there going over El Dorado Park. I don't see the tail waving. So he goes to the right of those cypress trees. Now behind that next tree. Now he'll be in this gap right there. So he's just doing his routine for the kids, making sure everyone's tucked in, safe.